guys, people, my family, let me tell you something. If you struck out on these when they came out, like when the first time they came out, and you want a pair of these, I think now is the time to go ahead and grab them. They're not going for too much, and man, these are something I've always wanted, a dunk I've always wanted. I'm glad I was able to grab it finally. So let's check these out literally right now. Let's go. Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefer. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, really quick before we dive into today's video, your kid is a little bit under the weather. It's just congested. I'm not like anything like extremely, just a regular like cold, you know. So if you hear me sound kind of congested and kind of nasally, that's the reason why. So moving on with today's video, as you guys can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the outro, and the reason to click on today's video is because I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Now, the brand that we're taking a look at today, as you can tell from my shirt, the swoosh, Nike, and we're looking at a dunk today. Now, this dunk, this came out, I want to say 2 or 3 years back, and I'm really excited that I finally was able to get these because this was on my must-cop list when it comes to like dunks in general, and I'm very, very excited. So with that said, today we're taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low in the St. John colorway. One of probably the most iconic dunks in terms of just like color, wearability. I mean, I feel like at one point this was the dunk. This was that dunk everybody wanted, you know. Like I said, it's just very simplistic. You can wear with a lot of things. And even at one point too, this thing was going for about $500 in certain sizes. So with all of that said, I do want to go ahead and take no more of your time. Let's dive straight into it. I do want to give you guys a couple shout outs because I do really greatly appreciate you guys so much. So let's get straight into it. Let's go. First and foremost, y'all, let me just go ahead and say thank you guys so much for the love and the support that you've been showing, not just for 2023, but for as long as I've started this channel. It greatly, 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 greatly means a lot to me, and I just want you to know that I do not take any of that for granted. If this is your first time checking out any of the video or checking out the channel, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, because anytime I drop a video, you can be the first alerted and notified, because it really seriously means a lot. Also as well, I like for you guys to go ahead, I like to engage with you guys as much as I can. So if you do go ahead and you comment, definitely go ahead and comment some more, because you can see yourself right here. And like I said, I like to go ahead and engage more with you guys, give you guys more of the, you know, the shout out, because I greatly just appreciate you guys so much, like seriously. So if you want to see yourself right here like you see these other people, go ahead and definitely comment and let me know what's going on with the day, how the video is, and all of that, because I will definitely show you out for sure. Now, with all of that said, we are going to be taking a look at these Nike Dunk Low St. John's. Let's get it. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing here. Little backstory. So like I said, at one point, I forgot the year that these actually released, but these were going for like $400-500 at one point. Nike decided, like they've been doing with a lot of other shoes this year, they decided to go ahead and flood the market that way, making it so it's more affordable, making, like, you know, kind of like knocking resale down, because there's been points where, like I said, shoes are going for outrageous amount of prices. And that's what they decided to do with the St. John. Now, I know a lot of people are kind of upset by that, because at one point, like I said, this was a $500 shoe. People were holding on, people had money on them, but now it's cool to see Nike doing that, because it's making the shoes a lot more affordable. So they did go ahead and release, or excuse me, do a restock over on Nike sneakers. I was not fortunate enough to take a W, but I did go ahead and go on the aftermarkets, and these are going for about, literally right now, $130, $140 in certain sizes. Like I was able to get mine for one, after everything, $135. So I was like, that's not bad. I was even able to go to like a sneaker convention, and I was able to buy another pair as well, because I need it. So with all that said, let's go ahead and check them out right here. Here is the box right there. I did go ahead and get these over on GOAT, because like I said, the prices over there weren't that bad, and take advantage of it how you can, especially a silhouette like this. So this is the box that it comes in. You got your regular Nike box, the lateral side all red with a Nike swoosh. As you look right there, you got your size description, which we will read right now, and then you get more of the text and graphics right there. Looking at the top of the box, you have Nike logo right there. So let's go ahead and read the size description. Size description does go ahead and say Nike Dunk Low SP, white university red, and men, I got a size 11. Usually I go a 10.5 or 11. I usually go true to size when it comes to dunks, and you'll be perfectly fine. I kind of base them on like an Air Force One. Ever since I've done that, I've never gone wrong. If you do have questions in terms of like sizing, just let me know and I'll help you guys out. I did go ahead and get a 12. This is 11, which is a 12.5 in women's, and SKU code does read CU1727100. Let's go ahead and pull this back right here so y'all can see that. There's the size right there. And man, I was wanting these for a long time, and even though I wasn't able to hit on Nike sneakers, I'm thankful that I was able to finally, they were in the range of affordability for me to go ahead and pick them up. So that's why I couldn't pass when I saw that. So let's go ahead and take the box right here. 3, 2, and 1. Lift the lid. Boom. As you can see right here, your standard regular tissue paper. And let's pull it back. 3, 2, and 1 right there. Here we go. The Nike Dunk Low, man, in the St. John colorway. I have been wanting these for a very long time, man. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this. You can wear it with a whole bunch of everything. Great for themes too. I mean, especially right now with it being Christmas, you know, white, red, like this is the perfect time to be wearing this for real. But let's go ahead, that's the left. Let's go ahead and take out the, oh, here we go right here. I did go ahead and grab these over on GOAT right there. And then let's go ahead and take out the right pair. And oh, you got your extra laces in there. And then let's go ahead and look at it together. Come on. Okay, so real quick. I completely forgot to wear my headband. I completely forgot. I wanted to match the theme. I usually always do that. So I had to throw the headband on really quick. So here we go right here. This is the Nike Dunk Low in the St. John colorway. Now, as you know, that we've had other colors as well. We have the Syracuse, we have the Kentucky, the St. John. And I remember like those 3 colorways in particular, those were the ones that like a lot of people wanted for a long time. I know I've always wanted them. So to see that Nike was able to go ahead and do a massive restock, now making it more like brought the prices down for these. I know some people may not like that, but for people who really don't care about like resale like that, they just want to be able to get their kick if they want to wear it, they like it. Thank you, Nike, for real. Thank you. So let's go ahead and look at the, actually, you know, we actually gonna take a look at the right, just because the right has more of extra laces as well. So looking at it right here, the Nike Dunk Low and the St. John colorway, as you look at the outsole, you get an all red outsole. You do have your Nike logo right there. As you come up to the front, you do have an all white midsole, which I honestly love when they do this, man, when it comes to the dunks, man. I love when they keep it nice and white. Sometimes they keep like sail, just like keep it like that, keep it regular. You do get your toe box right there. It is done in white. Then as you come up to the outer edges right there, it gets hit with red. You do get your red swoosh right there. As you come up to the back, you get that Nike text at the back of the heel. And then you do get hit with red laces, but it's cool to see because you also get white laces, so you can throw that in. I might stay with the red laces, just kind of keep it more of that true originalness. I think the red laces look a lot better. As you come up as well to the tongue right there, you get a Nike stitched right there, and then as you come up, you do have more of the detailing inside right there. Let's go ahead and take the shoe tree out. You do get an all red insole, which I think is pretty fire. The Nike logo right there in the middle. And does it have the size description right in there? Yeah, it does. I got a size 11, and then just have your SKU code right there. So there we go right here, y'all. The Nike Dunk Low, the St. John colorway. I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy because I was wanting these for a minute. And man, let me know what you think about it. In terms of dunks, this is like one that's always like, it's up there. This is one of those dunks, like I said, like this was the one everybody wanted at one point in time. I don't know about now. Shoot, I know I did, so that's why I had to go ahead and pull the trigger and buy these. But like I said, some prices are going for like 120, 130, 140 in certain sizes. So these are actually not too bad. And I would probably cop now, just in terms of like, you never know. Things can always change and prices can always go up. So if you can get it now, that's not bad. That is not bad, truly. I would go ahead and get it now. Let me know what you guys think about the Nike Dunk Low and the St. John colorway. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I love y'all so much. This has been the review over the Nike Dunk Low and the St. John colorway. Thankful to be having this pair. Seriously, I'm gonna go ahead and break away to a closer perspective, and the on-feet reviews coming up after that. So here we go, right here. Let's check it out. Like I said, this is the Nike Dunk Low St. John, man. And at one point, I love to see that Nike has decided to go ahead and just kind of flood the market. I mean, they've done that with a lot of shoes. For example, the Nike Dunk Low Panda. At one point, the Panda was kind of hard to get, but now it's literally become like the regular Air Force One of sneakers. So you go to like regular sneaker stores, you can even grab these, no problem. You can grab the Pandas, no problem. And I love to see that they've done with certain colors. Like I said, I know a lot of people aren't happy about that because, you know, a lot of people have a lot of business when it comes to reselling sneakers, but it's just like, you know, for the average consumer who just wants to go ahead and buy it, you can buy it. I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy this at as well. Also, I've seen retail stores as far as like Shoe Palace. That's the only store I've seen. They've actually been restocking these as well on their site. So check that out, guys, because I want to help you guys as much as I possibly can, for real. But yes, this is the Nike Dunk Low St. John. Let me know what you think about these babies right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this has been the review over the St. John Nike Dunk Low. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. On-feet review is coming up right now. I greatly appreciate you guys so much for the love and the support. It really means like, you don't understand. It means a lot to me, for real. 2023, we're getting ready to end off with a bang. We're gonna hit 2024, and I just want to keep going stronger and harder, be able to go ahead and make more progress each and every single video and every single day. So I really do appreciate you guys so much. And until next time, this has been your boy, this has been your kid, Nephrite, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.